Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this look right here. It is a bronzier look. I know it's December, but today the sun decided to show up. We're going to be starting with the Neutrogena gel cream and putting it all over our face before rubbing it in. This is a lightweight moisturizer, but it is also very good for those who have oilier skin. That's why I like using it a lot. Next, we're going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream. And since this is a dewier look, we're going to be using that all over the face. Next, we're going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Toasty Toffee. We're just going to put that all over our face. This is a medium to light coverage, but you could build it up and continue achieving that full coverage look. Next, we're going to be going in with the IT Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Tan Neutral and put that all over the under eye. And since it is a tackier concealer, we're just using the same concealer, we're just going to be cleaning up the edges of the nose. Now we're going to be going in under the eyes with the NYX Mineral Powder and all the places that we concealed just to get a brighter look. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. I'm just going to be doing my brows today. I'm going to do both the brows. mascara just to combine both of them to make it look a little bit more natural. And then using the NYX lip pencil in the color Coffee all over the lips before going in with the gloss. Using the Quo Jewel lip gloss, we're going to put that all over the lips. And that's the final look. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, press the thumbs up button, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next video.